Hi everyone, I'm Jess of DKWT Philippines, and today we're gonna feature this house, this two-story house. Currently, I'm here in Camellia Villa Cananga in Butuan City. So let's check it out. So by the way, this house is a two-story house, corner lot, and then this house or unit rather is for assume. So as you enter your the vicinity, this is already concrete with your one parking area over here, and then this is already an extended of the house. So this is the extended kitchen. So let's proceed inside. So amazing. This is the interior of the home. So it's kind of a child or kid inspired theme rather. So amazing with all the bright colors in it. And over here is your living area with your TV corner over here. As you can see, there are lots of windows in this downstairs for natural light to come in. Of course, this is your breakfast nook, so you don't have to go in the dining table just to eat. You can prepare for your kids over here. And then, of course, your one toilet and bath, common toilet and bath. So this area is the kitchen's area. So it's very nice. It's very big actually. And what I love about it is over here. So when you're cooking, it's not so the smoke of the cooking will go outside. So it's very nice. I love it. This is quite a unique house because this is the first time I entered a kid-inspired theme. So over here, the second story, the second floor rather. So this is the first bedroom. Ah, diba? See, amazing. So you got lots of windows. Oh, it's pinkish. So the outside is yellow. And of course, over here is your second bedroom. Oh. So maybe I think one over there is the kids. It's a girl and here is the blue. So I think this is the boy. And of course, your study table over here or your working space and your common toilet and bath. So this property is in the market for Assume. And what's nice about this is you can save as much as 2 million in the current market price value for this unit. And the great thing about this already interior and extended kitchen. So for more inquiries about this property, do message me and I'll be happy to assist. Once again, I'm Jesse Enriquez of DKWT Philippines. Thank you for watching.